Scott Boda here with Steeda Autosports. Today we're going to install our Ford Bronco blow-off valve adapter. What this is going to do, it's going to give you that cool whoosh sound whenever you get off the gas pedal. You're going to let all those Jeep Wranglers know that you're packing a turbo underneath the hood of your Ford Bronco. So follow along, simple install, takes less than 10 minutes, no permanent modifications, easily reversible, so let's get to it. Pop open your hood and look for the blow-off valve adapter on the passenger side. Remove the factory clip by pulling back on the red tab and sliding it off. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, go ahead and remove the 3 screws holding the factory blow-off valve adapter into place. And insert the 2 O-rings into the respected slots. Now sometimes they don't want to stay in place. A little bit of tacky grease, silicone grease, wheel bearing grease, anything can be used. Place it in the groove, go ahead and put your O-ring back in place. This will help keep the O-rings in place as you install the Steeda blow-off valve adapter. Orientate the factory blow-off valve adapter so that all the holes line up, and go ahead and install it back in the same position as it originally was. Use the screws provided by Steeda to reinstall your factory blow-off valve adapter. Make sure the O-rings stay in place as you screw that together. Torque them each down evenly, and don't forget to reconnect your wire harness. Once that is done, you have completed your installation of the Steeda ProFlow blow-off valve adapter. All right, as you can see, super easy install. Comment below, see what other parts you'd like to see us install on the Ford Bronco. Check out all of our social media channels, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Like, subscribe, and remember, Steeda, where speed matters.